Many retailers, private label owners, and meal kit teams struggle with manual and disconnected supplier management, product development, and regulatory compliance. A big hurdle companies face is effective collaboration across departments. And when it comes to suppliers or co-manufacturers, the slow motion collaboration gets worse. With the enormous amount of documentation and information required throughout the supply chain, we wanted to make it easier for you. TraceGains network product development and compliance solutions advance team collaboration, accelerate product development, streamline supplier, ingredient, and item selection, and automate regulatory compliance. Let's see what TraceGains network solutions can do for you. Supplier Management connects cross-department teams with suppliers and co-manufacturers to manage your entire supplier program in one place. Information exchange, documentation, and agreements are tracked and turned into digital records. With TraceGains Audit Management, teams can schedule, conduct, and track audits on a single platform, either in person or remotely, using any device, with real-time reporting to flag key findings and corrective actions that keep operations on track. Companies choose which suppliers can access shared specifications on TraceGains network. This allows them to author or edit, review read-only sections, add comments, attach documents, negotiate attributes, and approve or decline specifications, with all correspondence and agreements tracked digitally for a complete audit trail. With TraceGains, you can digitize everything from raw materials to packaging to finished goods specifications, then use the data to power configurable dashboards and reports to determine compliance against the label claims, nutrition targets, thresholds like Prop 65, and country of origin. For private label owners, TraceGains Network Product Development Suite plugs into your existing PLM system to increase supply chain transparency and speed up innovation. Or manage it all in TraceGains with any connected device and skip the cost and complexity of a full-blown PLM. Smart Alerts offers visibility into supply chain threats and regulatory risks for existing, experimental, and alternative ingredients and raw materials across suppliers and geographies by strategically exposing relevant incident and alert information directly to food safety and regulatory teams. Markethub, a powerful sourcing directory, lets your team search for ingredients, items, packaging, and services with advanced criteria like country of origin, organic, and kosher, and many more. Integrated with Formula Management, the data in Markethub auto-populates recipes, and Formula Management allowing teams to digitally model unlimited formulations with real supplier and ingredient data to reach ideal product criteria faster. Formulas define the number of servings, serving size, unit of measure, and the computational method, and dynamic change management capabilities provide insight into the upstream and downstream impact of changes before they happen. Modify formulas in real time with quick access to nested recipes, Markethub, and suppliers. Finally, compare the presence and impact of nutrition amounts, allergens, costs, and claims across unlimited recipe variants to find the best combinations prior to sample creation. Go from manual processes to automated results with TraceGains for better, faster supply chain management and innovation. Request your demo today at TraceGains.com.